Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. Today we are going to learn how to install the TypeScript into your project. So let's get started. So here we have the steps. First of all, we have to install the Node.js. So you have to install the Node.js first into your Ubuntu system. So I have already installed and I can check my Node.js version, that is node-v, that is 16. I have already installed the TypeScript also, that is 3.8.3, that is the latest. So you have to install the Node.js, then we have to install the global TypeScript. After the installation, you need to add the TypeScript node also, right? So I will show you the command that I have to run the tsc file. So I will show you which the command it is. So this is the command, that is npm install global TypeScript and then no TypeScript. This should be installed, right, to run the tsc file, right? So this should be installed. Okay, after the installation, we have to create the project. So we have to use the tsc hyphen hyphen init. Okay, it will give you the tsconfig.json file. Okay, so tsconfig.json file is already created. If I go and check this one, here you can see that tsconfig.json file with their versions, target, module, allow.js, check.js. Okay, so I have already made my file, so I'll copy this and add it over here. Okay, so I have already added. Okay, so next we have this is now we have to create a new file. Then we have to create touch index.ts file, right? So I have created this index file. So we will add some of the code over here. Okay, so let's add console.log and check console.log. Okay, that is hello world. Okay, hello world. Save this, and if I go and just run with the help of tsc index.ts, what happened? Nothing prints, right? But here you can see that index.js file automatically created with this version, right? So how to run a ts file into your server? So I will let you know in the next video. Thank you so much for this is the setup of that full TypeScript. So we have successfully set up the TypeScript, and you can see that we are generating the TypeScript here. So it automatically generated whatever the code I have written down over here, console.log, and just type hi here. Okay, and save this and just go it over here. Okay, and index.js, it automatically there. Okay, so this is the TypeScript that we in the next video. What we have to learn, we are going to learn how to run the TypeScript file. Else you can also run with the help of this one, like node index.js, sorry, index.js, because with the help of it, here you can see that we are, but I want to run with the help of that tsc index.ts. So how I would go to run this file? So I will let you know in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.